Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint Chapter 2 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Exam. Click Start. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So PowerPoint chapter 2 hand-on exercise 2 simulation exams. Click launch. So open the PowerPoint chapter 2. Total question force. We move to the question number 1 on the slide 5. So move and select the slide 5. Insert the heart shape with the default on the right side of the slides. So insert the heart shapes. Click the shape and insert the heart shapes. Right sides and the slides. Insert the hexagon shapes default size left side of the slides. So select the slide 4 and insert the hexagon shapes. Insert tabs and click shapes and insert the hexagon shape. And click insert and insert the left sides. On the slide 4, height of the hexagon shape 2.1 inches with the 2.5 inch and close the task pane. So next shape by 2.1 and width 2.5 and press enter. On the slide force and hexagon horizontally 0.5 and vertical 1.5 and click positions. Horizontally position 0.4 and vertical position 1.5 and press enter and close the task pane. On the slide 4 in the hexagon and type the paper diet. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, we move to the question number 2. On slide 4, draw a line arrow starting from the right side's center point of the first hexagon to the left side's center point of the second hexagon. On slide 4 and draw the line right and center the hexagons. Insert the line. So on slide 4, move and drag to the slide 4 and apply the subtitles. On slide 4, apply the subtle effect SN2 theme shape style 4 hexagon. So next go to the shape format tabs and go to the shape style groups and next third column subtle effect equation to click OK. On the slide 4, with the hexagon shape selected, and apply the preset shape effect. Selected and apply the preset shape effect. Click the shape effect and preset 5. Click OK. On the slides and 5 and lock aspect ratio, set the height hertz, and on slide 5 and select the heart shapes and shape height 5.9 and press enter. Log aspect ratio and set the height 5.9 and press enter. On the slide 5, fill the heart shapes image files. So on slide 5 and select the heart shapes and fill shape fill and pictures, and next the form of files and click insert. On slide 5 and use the eyedropper to change the font color, text expenses to dark blue color, the tabbing and stethoscope pictures. So on slide 5 and use the eyedropper, change the font color, home tabs and click the font color, and change the font color of the expenses, color of the text expenses to dark blue, and click the font so next we move to the question number 4. On slide 7, insert the email icon. Slide 7 and insert the email icon. Go to the insert tabs and click the icons and type the email and press enter and click insert, and use the graphic format tabs and change the fill color of the email icon blue essence darker 50%. So graphic format tabs, change the fill colors, change the fill color and click OK. And next on the slide, convert the email icon to shape. Convert to shape. Click the symbol, center the icon, change the fill color red, and next go to the home tabs and click the fill color is red